Good morning, students. Today class is construct a regular polygon using circle. In previous class we discussed constructing a regular polygon using semicircle. So this is method 2. By using circle we are constructing a regular polygon. For example, I am drawing a regular polygon as a pentagon. That means number of sides equal to 5. So, coming to my question, construct a regular polygon. For example, I am taking pentagon. So, construct a regular pentagon of side 30 mm. Of side 30 mm. For this, the procedure is draw a line, a line AB equal to side 30 mm. In the problem has given one side is 30 mm. So, this is a one side of our pentagon equal to 30 mm. AB line length is 30 mm. So after that draw a vertical line, at point B. A vertical line at point B. So after that, now draw an arc, point B as a center and radius equal to AB, that means 30 mm. Point B as a center, radius equal to 30 mm. Just to draw an arc. Just draw an arc. So this will meet at point P. This meeting point is P. Okay. Now draw a line from point A to point B. Point A to point B. After that, draw a line point AB. After that, now bisect a line AB. AB and a line undi kadamma. So now bisect this line. That means AB is a 30 mm. So bisecting like this. Okay, dividing equal parts. That means 15, 50. So now we observe two meeting points here. This is 1, this is 2 meeting points. That means this bisecting line meeting at arc point 2. So this AP line meeting a bisecting line at point 1. After that, bisect a line 1 and 2. This line we need to bisect now. So bisect. So we got the point 3. So this point 3 is center for our circle. This point 3 is a center for our circle. Then what will be the radius? So the radius will be the distance between the point 3 and point A, or the distance between point 3 and point B. Here it is, point B. Okay, this one. 3A or 3B. Now, draw a circle, point 3 as a center, radius equal to 3A. So, this will be like this. Okay. So, now, here we observe that this arc and circle meeting point, this is point C. Now, draw a line from point B to point C. This is the second side for our pentagon. Now, point C has a center. Radius equal to 30 mm. Just to draw an arc over a circle. So, from point, this is point D. So, C to D, draw a line. This is our third side of a polygon. Similarly, point D as a center, just draw an arc on a circle. This is point E. So, now connect a line from point D to point E. Similarly, point E to point A. This is our pentagon. Yeah, see this. So, initially, he drawn a line. After that, a vertical line. So, an arc. So, now this bisect a line AB. So like this. After that, and draw a line connecting A and P. So this is we got 2 points. So the length between these 2 points we need to bisect them. That means like this. So this point has a center. Radius equal to that point, center point to A or center point to point B. So just draw a circle. Just draw a circle like this. Okay. So after that, so this circle and this arc will meet at point C. So make it as a point C, mark as a point C, and from B to C draw a line. This is the second side of a polygon. This is the first side, this is second side. Similarly, point C as a center, radius equal to 30 mm. Just draw an arc on a circle. This is point C. Similarly, point to D as a center, mark a point E on a circle. So like this. Finally, point E to point E. This is the fifth side of our pentagon. So in this only some complicated thing is to we need to set up a center point for our circle. That is a very, very important. Yeah, this is the one more. Thank you.